Nasasayang ang oportunidad sa pandaigdigang kalakalan ng dahil sa maling geopolitical na hakbang ng kasalukuyang pamahalaan. Ito ay ayon kay Herman Chu Laurel, tagapangulo ng Asian Century Philippines Strategic Studies Research Institute.
We are failing to enjoy this Chinese market that is opening up wider and wider because of geopolitical missteps of the present Philippine government.
Ang tinutukoy ni Laurel ay ang pagbubukas ng bansang China sa usapin ng kalakalan at komersyo. Partikular halimbawa ay naunahan na ang Pilipinas ng bansang Vietnam pagdating sa exportation ng saging. Maging ang pag-import ng China ng durian mula sa atin ay nanganganib din na maapektuhan kung mali ang galaw ng ating pamahalaan.
And unfortunately today, the Philippine government under the present administration is denying itself of access to this market, which the other ASEAN countries are rushing to tap, to exploit, to enjoy, and which they are doing so. The banana market of China is slowly tightening up the Philippine bananas and is being taken over by Vietnam. We have other good news in durian, for example, but if we are not careful, this will also tighten up.
Ako, si Chris Lucas nag-uulat para sa DZRJ 810 AM ang Radyo Bandido TV. Kasama mo sa pagtatanggol ng demokrasya.